Hello friends, welcome to the channel Tech Talk, where I talk and share about technology hacks, solutions and how-tos. Please subscribe, like and press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. In today's video, we are learning how to update Camera Raw in Photoshop CC. You may find that when you try to open raw photos from newly launched DSLR in older version Photoshop like CS6 or CC 2015, it may give you an error message like this. This means you got to update your Camera Raw. So without any further delay, let's quickly jump to the video. Open your browser. Search for latest Camera Raw version. For your convenience, I have provided the link in the description below. Scroll down to find the Camera Raw installers. Version 12.3 is the latest update of Camera Raw from Adobe. Select according to your platform. Save the installer to your desired download location or to your default download location. Go to the download location. Double click on the installer and wait for the installation to finish. I am using Photoshop CC 2015 and Nikon D7200. Let's open a raw file in Photoshop. As you can see, a new UI has been introduced in Camera Raw 12.3. Let's select that. Tweaking these different controls, you can perform your raw photo processing. In my next video, I will try to give you an overview on the new and interactive UI of Camera Raw 12.3. Soon I will be making a series on Photoshop. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Bye and see you soon.